Hello again, YouTube friends. Today I'm working on the den, and I'm going to replace these wall sconces that are above the mantle of the fireplace. And the ones we have now, they're a little dated, and they only have a little red flickering bulb in it for aesthetic purposes. So I think we could do better. I got some new wall sconces from Lowe's for about $13 each, and they'll throw more light. And I think it'll just work out better for this room once we get those in, and we're going to do it right now. Okay, I'm going to start off by throwing the breaker and shutting off the power. Alright, I'm going to start off by removing the current sconce. Okay, and now we're just going to undo these wire nuts right here. We have black and we have white. There's one wire nut I can't get to, so I'm just going to take the bracket off because the bracket has to go anyway. Alright, and this is the wall sconce I'll be putting up. It's a portfolio that I got from Lowe's for about 13 bucks, and the model number is 1314216. Alright, first we're going to attach the mounting bracket to the box with the bracket and screws that were supplied. Alright, now we're just going to make the connections. White to white and black to black. And we're going to use these orange wire nuts that came with the sconce. That. And I'm just going to wrap a little tape around it, a little electrical tape. Tuck them back in the box. Like that. And now I'm just going to attach the copper to the green screw. First I'll just tighten this up a little bit. This off. Now to unscrew these. Straighten this bracket out. And we'll tighten it up. Just like that. All right, now we'll just put the shade on that comes with it. And we'll secure it. And now I'm just going to put a new 60-watt LED bulb in. And now I'll do the other one. I have the wall sconces up. I'm pretty pleased with the way they look. And they each have their own little switch, so you can turn them on and off. That's what it looks like when they're off, and this is what it looks like when it's on. These new wall sconces add quite a bit of light to the den, so we're pretty happy with it. I have 60-watt bulbs in each of them, and for under 30 bucks, it was a pretty good home improvement to do. I'll have more home improvement videos coming up in the near future, so as always, please subscribe and happy home improvement. See you next time.